Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix touchscreen is not working on Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your touch screen isn't working, my screen is working but if your phone screen isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to make a force restart with your phone. Sometimes it might be that if you have updated your phone, or due to any temporary files, any junk files, any errors, or any software glitch, your phone screen might have been unresponsive or your touch screen isn't working. You just have to make a force restart with your phone. Now for this, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time for almost 10 to 15 seconds. So let's try this. Just press and hold your volume down and your power button for almost 10 to 15 seconds. The very first your phone screen goes completely black. Once you get the black screen here, you just have to wait for Samsung logo. And here, once you get the Samsung logo, you just have to release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So a forced restart might take more time than usual, so you have to wait for a few seconds there, and after that you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to wait for a few seconds there, like almost 5 seconds, to refresh your phone screen. And once it's done, your phone has been refreshed, you might see this interface here. You have to try to unlock your phone and to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed if there will be any temporary files, any junk files, any error, or any software glitch with your phone might causing to make your screen unresponsive or your touch unresponsive. So it can be fixed by a forced restart. If your issue still persists, so you can try the same thing at the same force restart one more time. But if your issue is still not fixed, so you have to try to check your phone screen, because sometimes it might be that your phone screen has been physically damaged. I recommend you have to try to repair your phone screen, or you can try to get a new phone screen exchange with a new phone screen, so it will fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.